Subtraction. We will learn subtraction of 3-digit numbers with the help of double borrowing. Let's take an example of subtracting 49 from 230. First, we will arrange the numbers at appropriate places. Ones below the ones, tens below the tens. As there is no value in the hundreds place in the number 49, we can add 0 or we can leave it as it is. Adding the minus sign, we will start subtracting from the rightmost numbers, the numbers in the ones place. First, we will subtract 9 from 0. As 0 is smaller than 9, so 9 cannot be subtracted from 0. So what can we do? We can borrow. We can borrow from the immediate left. We will borrow from the digit in the tens place. Value of 3 is equal to 30. As the value of left place number is always 10 times higher. As 3 has a value of 30, it can be written as 20 plus 10. 110 will be borrowed by the ones place. The 0 becomes 10. Now 9 will be subtracted from it. 10 minus 9 is 1. This will be written in the ones place as shown. As 110 was borrowed by the ones place, the digit in the tens place is now 2. We will subtract 4 from 2. 4 cannot be subtracted from 2, so we will borrow from the hundreds place. Value of 2 and the hundreds place is equal to 20 compared to immediate right. As value of left place number is always 10 times higher. So we can write 10 plus 10. This 10 will be borrowed by the digit in the tens place, making the number 12. Now 4 will be subtracted from this 12. 12 minus 4 is 8. 8 will be written in the tens place in the result as shown. As we have taken 100 from 200, 100 will be left. This one will be brought down, making the result 181. When 49 is subtracted by 230, it gives a result of 181. Let's look at subtracting 49 from 230 by quick method. We will arrange the numbers at appropriate places as shown, as we did earlier, placing ones below the ones, tens below the tens. Now we will subtract the digits in the ones place. As we cannot subtract 9 from 0, we will borrow a 10 from 3 and add it to 0, making 0 10. 10 minus 9 is 1. As we have taken 1 10 from 3, we are left with 2 tens only. We will subtract 4 from 2. As 2 is smaller than 4, again we need to borrow from the hundreds place. We will borrow 100 from 200, making the digit in the tens place 12. 12 minus 4 is 8. When 1 is borrowed from 200, we are left with 100. This 100 will be brought down as it is, making the result 181. When we subtract 49 from 230, we get a result of 181. Happy learning!